In this session, I will explain the options under window group. So, window group is available under view tab. Okay, what is window group? See, you are in a single window, and if you want the same in second window, see SQL Server 2 in second window, and you go for views and see here, switch to windows, we have this window and this window with the same content, same document you open in two windows. By seeing one, you can alter a part in another window. For example, if you have only one window, you have to, suppose by seeing the upper part, you have to alter the lower part. That is not very easy to manage. So that's why you open the document in multiple windows. Suppose I just open two windows, you can also open more than one window. We can arrange them. Suppose arrange all. How they are arranging? Suppose this is the first one and this is the second one. Suppose by seeing this type of functions, I want to alter something, the document in scalar function area or somewhere else. Content same only, same document only, but we opened in two windows, so that's why we can able to view the top portion of the document and bottom portion of the document at a time where you need. So I can alter here, I can do some work here by seeing the areas of the topper part of the same document, and you can view side by side also. See, side by side also you can view, but if you scroll, both are scrolling at a time. So there is an option in view menu. Suppose if you enlarge this, synchronous scrolling option, switch off, deselect that one, and again arrange the second also. Okay, you can now view both of these, view side by side, view side by side, and again they are scrolling like that. You have to switch off the or deselect the scrolling sessions. So, and minimize that one. Now see, one is scrolling and second one is scrolling individually. Okay, by seeing one document, you can alter another document, but same content only, same document only. If you save, it will save in the same document. Okay, so like that you can view a document in two or more windows at a time. Suppose if I close this one, second one, again what happens? Maximize this one. So see, only SQL Server main one came. If you made any changes of any part of the document, it will goes to one document only, not the new one. And see, you can split a window. Split, there is a splitter bar, and you can drag this bar where you want. You can split the document, see, same document, upperwards and lowerwards scrolling. Like this also, you can manage a part by seeing another part of the document. If you don't want this splitter, remove the split. Okay, like that we can manage a single document in multiple windows, and you can arrange the windows, and after finishing work you can close the window, and that will be in a single window finally. Okay,